Hello guys, this is Kamiroy. That is my first live session, which is going to be um explaining Photoshop 220 interface. I'm going to walk through on the main basic work tab included. So without further ado, then we start on how to open a new document. So it starts. Starts on by going to the file. So, but that is after clicking it on the create a new Photoshop document. Okay, as you see, we change here. We select the types of document we want to use. Oh, I don't think you are seeing it clearly. Let me check a little bit. After creating, you go to fire and click on new. Which on this window we can choose the different presets, like one which you have previously saved, like when you are going to work with photos in Photoshop. You can choose the preset of photo, you can choose 7 by 5 inch. There is a lot of size of paper you can choose, or if you want designer or web page, you're gonna need that page. If you are going to design for mobile, that is good for it. You can see the iPhone X, iPhone what, iPad mini, Mac, also many different phone. If you are going to work with film or videos, like when you are going to create animation or vector graphic, even GIF, for being used in video, that page is useful. So in my case, I'm going to need a paper like A4. Let me choose this, or even you can customize for your own things, like going here, can choose the size, centimeter, pixels, millimeter, inch, anything, but let me choose A4. Square pixel, make sure it is checked, and go on create. If you hit create, you will see your papers. You can, so without further making design on that papers, I'm going to show you guys the different content types of interface you will be find useful in your everyday task. So that is tab, like when you want to design your things, you can come and save, or you can export it. This is the best press to render your project. So there is edit, tab, image tab, layers, selection tab, filters, very important when you are going to work in Photoshop. CD, 3D, view, how you want to view your windows. Like my windows has rulers, as you see. You can change it here in view tab. There is window where you can change the arrangement and layout of different things. You can take that and drag anywhere you want. So here you can customize your workspace according to your daily task. Like you go on here and press on that, it will allow. There is essentials, 3D artist, graphic and web designer, motion, painting, photography, or you can customize by creating your new workshop. Me at the beginning I was on the essential. If you like 3D, it changes like that. If you are graphic designer, it will change as that. If you are motion artist, when you want to work with animation, see here the timeline actually created. So here you can start composing your animation. If you want to do painting, advanced photography, editing by painting something, this is the tab. If you want to edit pictures, photography, this is the best tab for it. And you can delete any workspace you don't like. if you want. Like, let me delete photography workshop workplace. Yes, as you see, it is now. Now I'm working on essential. Here are some tutorials if you want to run different things, libraries, adjustment. You can cross the group. I like it. Here you can change what you don't want. You can remove it by clicking colors, for example, and go to cross color. Will go switches, will go also gradient. Don't like it here, it will go patterns, it will go. But I want to introduce histogram. Go to workspace, and put it histogram here. But because this is not a photo, it is not going to show us anything. Here is the layers. Not any other layer, background layers. You can create other layers by go here and choose the layer you want. Solid color. To choose that color, you can add a text. Let me write something. You can change its size. Many different ways. But let's keep it 30 or 48. You can drag that name in front if you want. You can change the font type. Like that. You can add shape. Rectangle tools. Can give it colors. Let me give it black. shading a little bit. Gradient stroke can increase the width of stroke to see the change, but let me keep it black. You can put it where you want. You see, this is rectangle and that other is matte. I can make this top triangle be invisible by dragging here, as it will be behind that rectangle. Put it up in front, or that name will be invisible if I put it down, as that colors will cover its visibilities. If you change it here, the white layer, it will change visibility. Let me delete it by pressing delete on my keyboard. I can cover the rows like this. I can cover the whole name by dragging it. You see, yeah guys, that is it for today. We will continue on something big, but before I go, let me try to brush on that panels. Here is the move tools, or you can access it by pressing V. You will find the most time need that tools in order to navigate different things. This is rectangle mark tools when you want to cut a part of your image. That will be the most important tools, I think. Like, I cut the name, like this by market tools. Even row, I can cut it like this by copying on that layer where row is located, and paste. If I paste it, I can drag it where I want. So you can change your order by using that tools. Is very important. White when it is still attached, you see the row is layers changed. That can is on layer 1 row, layer 2 Caroline is the parent name where that comes from, or you can cut the part of that triangle like that way. This is selections tools with different purpose. We will have the time to pass through it. or another tips you can hover it. Photoshop will show you in simple what that tools do. So that's it for today, guys. Remember to subscribe. I hope the next video will be better. You guys, you are awesome as always. See you then.